There we go. Okay, today's plan of action is we're first going to go rip with the DJI Neo, filming with the DJI Nano, and I've put it in 4x3. So when I was doing the initial impressions and a quick review of how the Nano is, I had it in the standard settings. So I've put it in 4x3 today, which I think is going to be much better. Okay, so at one of our favourite locations in Perth, let's stick the sticks on, and we're using the DJI FPV controller 3. So this is the one we need to use to be able to fly the DJI Neo in manual, and we're using the N3 goggles. Let's turn them on. Okay, we are recording. We are in manual, we're at 27 degrees. Let's keep that, yeah, let's do 26. Let's flick this one down. So I'm going to flick this one down, which I've set up to take off in manual. The motors should start. Whoa, what the? Okay, ignore that. Let's try again. So we are recording. Why can't I see anything? Okay, we're at 26 degrees. Motor's starting. Okay, that's better. Now we're away. Okay, let's have a look down. A little bit of break up there. And around. I'm not getting a touch of break up there, I'm not sure why. Past the car. Yeah, not sure why the breakup's so bad. Let me just see if my aerials are up on the goggles. Yep, they are. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there. It's got to be issues with the Neo. This Neo has taken some beating. You'll notice there's hardly any satellites. Yeah, that is terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Even when I'm really close to it. Whee, pop wash. There's a little bit of wind today, but this really is not good. Let's let's try turn her off on. There was some dirt and stuff on the top of it. I don't think that'll make a difference, but see what I mean? There's a bit of dirt and scratches on the top there. Let's just turn it off and on. Okay, don't do this. I'm going to do a hand launch. Recording. There we go. So yeah, don't do that unless you're willing to crash or lose your drone. Yeah, look, that's still not great. So no ideas what that is. And we can still fly it close to us, which is all I'm doing anyway, but it's not great. Normally we'd be able to fly right down here and go all the way around. See, it's not getting any worse. I'm getting a good distance away from myself and it's not worse. That's interesting. Okay, let's go down the path down here. Now we are getting some red here. That's a pretty bad break up there. I've got my back to the drone, I think, or my side to the drone. So let's turn. I think I'm facing the right direction now. Okay, we see we've got a low battery level. What are we at? 30%. I mean, maybe that's it. Low battery, but it's never been that bad before with the throttle. Oh, with the throttle, with the reception. I've flown here loads of times as well. Trying to stand in a way where I can do a cool flyby. Okay, well, what are we at? 19% battery. Okay, fast and low. Here we go with the Neo. Right. Oh, I was going to say we. Turn off, Jesus. No, this didn't want to stop then. Okay, so we was getting a low battery warning anyway. We've got C1. Just do have to be a little bit careful in Australia. In the bushes. Okay, so interesting flight today. Will be interesting to see the footage from the Nano camera. I think it looks pretty good to me. I think that's going to work nice. I will be flying later on today with the Whoops. But for the Neo flight, that's finished. Let me know your thoughts of the camera. Let me know if you have any questions, if you have any advice, especially with that bad signal. And I'll speak to you guys in the next one.